If you're looking for a song, you can use your Realme Note 70T in order to get the song title. So in order to do that, you can, for example, use circle to search. So we can press and hold your finger on the home button or the navigation handlebar if you use gestures for navigation. And if you hold for a short while, and then you should have circle to search, this Google layout. And over here we have this music recognition feature. So we can tap over here on this button in order to let the smartphone listen to our background, and we can play, sing, or hum a song in order to try to get the title. If the song is recognized, then you will get Google search results with the song title. And you can also add this feature to quick settings. First, we're gonna tap on these three dots over here and edit quick settings. And over here in more tiles, you should be able to find somewhere the song search option. In my case, it is over here. So let's just add it to the list. Let's go back. So now we can go over here and open it like this instead of pressing and holding the home button or the navigation bar. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.